Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with BookingKoala and can't see your upcoming bookings, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick fix to get everything back on track. Let's dive in. First, head to your settings. Go to General, then Store Options. And click on Scheduling. Now, look for the section labeled Recurring Bookings and click on it to expand. You'll see a question. How would you like the system to schedule recurring bookings? Choose 6 months of appointments, a maximum of 12 bookings. Next, make sure you enable this option. Would you like to show all upcoming bookings for a recurring schedule, even if the schedule is not yet confirmed? Select Yes. And don't forget to hit that Save button to apply the changes. That's it. You should now be able to see all your upcoming bookings without any issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.